If you ever wondered how to make your money work for you, you are in the right place. Wealth Power, inspiring future billionaires. Hello everyone and welcome to Wealth Power. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to invest money for beginners. Whether you are just starting out in your financial journey or looking to expand your investment knowledge, this video is tailored just for you. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into the how, let's understand the why behind investing. Investing is a powerful tool that helps your money grow over time, beat inflation, and achieve your financial goals. It's not about getting rich overnight, but rather building wealth steadily. Step 1. Setting financial goals. Before you start investing, define your goals. Are you saving for a home, retirement, or simply creating an emergency fund? Knowing your goals will guide your investment decisions. Step 2. Understanding risk and return. Investments comes with varying level of risk and potential return. Generally, higher risk investments offer higher potential returns, but they can also result in bigger losses. Balancing your risk tolerance with your goals is crucial. Step 3. Exploring types of investments. There are several investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Research each type to understand how they work and align with your goals. Step 4. The importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes helps reduce risk. If one investment underperforms, other may balance it out. If you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Start with a small amount. You don't need a fortune to begin investing. There are platforms that allow you to start with minimal investments. The key is to start and be consistent. Step 6. Choose where to invest. Think of it like picking a pot for your money. Retirement pots have special rules that help money grow for later. Regular pots give flexibility. Match the pot to your goal, like using a big pot for a big plant. That's it. Pick the right pot to let your money grow. Step 7. Continuous learning. The investment landscape evolves. Stay informed through books, online resources, and even financial advisors. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions. Step 8. Practice patience and maintain a long-term view. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Markets fluctuate, but historically, they've grown over time. Stay focused on your goals. Step 9. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your goals. Rebalance if needed, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market changes. There you have it, a beginner's guide to investing. Remember, investing is about making your money work for you over time. Start small, diversify, and stay informed. Thank you for tuning in. Drop a "Let's dive into investing" in the comments below. We're itching to see how many of you not only enjoyed the video but also stuck around till the very end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing! Before you go, be sure to explore more exciting videos on Wealth Power.